BC Dietitians Directory is an all-in-one platform where people can find dietitian services, events, and products so that they can find reliable information.
You'll find a lot of information about each dietitian. You'll also find information about their style of counseling and coaching and their specific services and how they can help you.
The value of someone consulting with me as a dietitian is that you're going to get something that's personalized to you. If you just download a generic meal plan from the internet, it doesn't know anything about you, doesn't know anything about your lifestyle, your food preferences. So it's really helpful to seek someone out that can match exactly what you need.
The reason why we need a dietitian directory is we need a unified area to have all dietitians listed so that people can find a professional, evidence-based resource for them to improve their eating, improve their nutrition, and improve their overall health.
What I love about BC Dietitians Directory is that it's so easy and accessible, and food is such a big part of our everyday life. It's so important for our health and well-being. And I don't think many people in the general public realize that anyone can just reach out to a dietitian to have a consultation and to really learn about how they can improve their relationship with food and how food can play such a big role in how they feel good in their own bodies.
Everybody needs a little bit of help with healthy eating and finding help with their own goals. So I think even if someone have questions about their healthy eating, if they're meeting their nutrition needs, or if they have a specific condition like diabetes or struggling with the eating disorder, or just need counseling to help with their cholesterol level, those are some examples of great time to refer to a dietitian.
I had a mom recently, she's a very busy professional, she's a lawyer, she works 60 hours a week. She said to me, "Thank you so much, you really know what you're doing." You know, I've worked with other professionals and time is so valuable, and I really felt like working with you helped me figure out what I needed to do to make things work for my family. So for me, that was like the ultimate compliment.
Choosing a dietitian for you is made so much easier with BC Dietitians Directory. You're able to make sure that they meet your needs where you're at, your specific practice areas, your location, and also their approach to how they do nutrition, counseling, and coaching.
Dietitians can work with a client in many ways, through one-to-one counseling, through family counseling, or they can even provide workshops and cooking demos or nutrition tour to pick out the food that you would want to try.
Nutrition and food is so intimate in our lives. It's very important to us as humans, it's important to our relationships, but it's also important to our health. And it helps us stay more in tune with our bodies, but also be able to live longer and a happier and higher quality of life. So what I would say is that if you're ready to make an investment into your life, and if you're ready to make health more of a priority into your life, make sure that you check out the dietitians we have on the website. We're here for you.